And then we need to put a little bit tomato. We're gonna put a little bit tomato. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. And here you go. Put a little bit tomato. Okay. It's there. Now, okay, now we need to get our chicken. I already cooked the chicken. I just want my chicken to be cooked before I put it there. Boiled with bay leaves. Okay. Now, can mix it up. Okay. Hello, thank you for my 4 million viewers. It's really good and yummy. Okay. Now we're gonna put our chicken. The chicken is already cooked. This is ground chicken. I just boiled with bay leaves with salt and okay. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. I just don't like to cook like it's fresh with blood. I don't like it. That's why I boil it first. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's stir. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I'm gonna stir up now. Let a little bit. Okay. You have to squeeze your tomato so it's gonna be tasty. Yeah. Okay. I think I may need to add tomato because I have a cooked tomato here. That is cooked tomato from the garden. I frozen it.